Today, today we are going to discuss about important topic in celestial bodies. We know that celestial objects means that objects are fully traveled or fully focused upon beyond the earth's surfaces. So it will be goes or it will be towards the sky direction. So in this video, we discuss about the design thinking concept and how the design thinking concept which incorporated in celestial bodies. In previous videos, we already studied about what are the factors like the micrometeorites and astronauts and some space vehicles, how to face or how to attract their limitations or challenges from the earth to sky travel size. So you can share that this DT concept in celestial objects.
Major source of celestial bodies. Stars are the huge ball of hot gas. Planets, it does not produce light, and it's around the stars like Earth, Mars, Jupiter. After third satellite revolving around the planets. Example: Moon, asteroids. Asteroids are the rocky bodies between Mars and Jupiter. After meteorites are the tiny structure of rocky bodies. It will burn while entering the Earth atmosphere.
What is that? Any challenges from that conditions? What's your point of view?
Sir, the tiny particles will affect our space voyage, while the aircraft, the micrometeorites will cause damage to the spacecraft. Sir.
How to overcome that effect of microelectronics to space travels?
So we will use composite materials like aluminum, lead, nickel based components to prevent the damage of the micrometeors.
Any other ideas about for this way, but for the celestial objects?
So we can move the orbit from the asteroids orbit from the space orbit, so that we can get away from the damage.
Any recent studies are yesterday you wrote about the examination, important examination in core relevance area. In composite structure panel, you have faced any type of questions, or in structure panel you have faced any type of questions which related to the space mechanics concept?
Yes, sir. They ask the eccentricity of the.
That is a one type of questions. I am asking. That is a fully space mechanics relevant part. I am asking about the. He said that the solution for rectifying or solution for the effect from that space, we can do replace the composite material like that. Are any recent relevant projects? Did you conducted or did you completed any projects from the composites area?
No, sir.
Okay, you have to focus on the composites area structures. For example, mainly focus upon the natural fibers. Natural fibers means it is easily available from the earth. That in financial sector also there will be not much more than about the family background side also. Just because in every our life we are daily facing the natural fibers. What is the example of a natural fiber in our daily usage life?
Jute is the best example for that.
Jute fiber is the one of the best one, and another natural fiber,
Carbon.
carbon fiber. From which? From where?
Carbon.
Carbon fiber, it is a, we are using that fiber. That is not a natural fiber. We are using in our daily life, we are using a carbon, but that is not a natural fiber. He said that jute fiber, it is easily available, and daily we can see that from our home in everywhere else also. So you have to pick that jute fiber in a particular ratio, and we will buy from resin and harness from for the matching of this jute fiber. And in case 30% in composites material, we focus upon the 30% it is only a fiber, and 70% it is a resins and the other things. You can take it 30% of fiber and 70% of resin, and 0% of any other filler materials. Filler materials means that will be the additional some amount of additional strengthening will given to the our composite structure will be. So you have to do your experiment. That is the ideal part of our design thinking in space mechanics celestial objects bodies. Okay, thank you.